Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions. Tonight, we're going to talk about Major Hype, you know, Mr. Vegas, Lady Saw, RT, the Reader Man, Macka Diamond, what she's been up to, and Walmart. Stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe, tell the whole world. And right now, it's about that time for us to talk the news. All right, recently, Major Hype has been in the news regarding his ex-fiancée, Kirby, and everything. You know, people know the story, but here's a little quick update. Allegedly, there's some pictures of Major Hype wearing a thong. You know, one on his head and also just wearing the thong. You know, it's pictures of it. I guess he's in some hotel somewhere. That should be able to be found on Twitter, if I'm correct. But you know, that's a serious thing that's going on because, you know, the man is a comedian and right now he just cannot stay out of the press. They say that all PR is good PR, but no, you have bad PR too. And right now, hopefully, you know, things can calm down with him and everything. But the next day, he came out on his Instagram and he was playing some music to tell the people, you know, his fans and everything, just stand firm with me. Everything is all right, and I'm not going to address any of those allegations or explain anything. But at the same time, some more pictures surfaced with Major Hype wearing a specific ring that the Reader Man, RT, for Spice, her Reader Man, is the same type of Opiod ring that they claim that Major Hype was wearing. Like I said, this is all allegations, but there are some pictures. Search the net. You can find them, people. Well, it was said that allegedly Major Hype hired RT to start the whole ruckus with Spice because it would take the heat off of him for what he was going through with his fiancée, Kirby. Like I said, all allegations. I don't know if it's true or it's false, but in the ghetto grapevine, that's what's being said. And speaking of RT, you know, because of what he said about Lady Saw, she ended up doing a video about her doing a few songs. And here's what Mr. Vegas had to say regarding that.
When you're a Christian, when you deal with Jesus and you hear people over so call up your name, you have to avoid them. It's to avoid foolish controversies. That means that when people call your name and you know see a foolishness them attack, you know go get involved in it. It's a avoid. Go look up the meaning of avoid. It means not take part in it, not go wish by it, not involve yourself. Avoid and a means of people. So Christian people, boy, I come go like say, oh no see where I go on. How not take part? Listen to me, man. It's a rocket and I go hell in, you know. You see one of the new Tesla rocket them? And one of them they wanna go hell in. Who not going to hell? Who no need to come again? Who no need to come again? Who no need to go dip back? Who no say me need to go dip back on the water and get Holy Ghost? Who no need to go dip again? Who no need to go dip again? That you no need to go do. You think a little fire on the bone for me? You think a little bit of fire on the bone for me, boy? After me come forward and I tell you, say, yo, nobody know if come boy come cuss dancehall. Because dancehall put food on the table. I want to make people come boy come call dancehall devil music. I want to make people come boy come talk about say dancehall a devil them used to sing for, and a devil them used to this, and a devil them used to that, and them stop sing for Satan, and them stop sing for this, and that dead, and who dead from who not dead. The whole the Wobia man called somebody with dead name, and people come and defend the dead. Eh? The man who call himself Reader Man, the man called Smaddy where we no say dead. The person is no longer alive. That spirit is dead. I want to come out of church, come and defend dead spirit. After me and the man who keep tribute for the dead spirit. I said, don't disrespect that spirit there. Because that spirit there, how we love. That spirit there we put food on table. That spirit there we feed people at Christmas time. That spirit there we feed enough little hungry youth. That spirit there put bread on the table. Don't diss that spirit there. Don't curse that spirit there. I want to come boy, I can come burn me out. And boy say, yo, leave people alone. Leave people alone. The people them gone in at them church. Leave them alone. Them gone in at them church. Where you want them come back out of church? You want them come out of church and come defend the dead spirit. We don't even come again. We not teach no, we not want no Christian values, boy. We not want no Christian values, boy, you know. And so you see man cooler from where they don't think say man gone and forgotten, you know what I'm doing, no. And my spirit this, you know. This is my spirit. My spirit is becoming like hypocrites. And black people can't better if we continue to be hypocrites. We can't reach now, we can't better, we can't unite, we can't love each other. Because we are hypocrites. You don't come and hitch up on the comment and hitch up on the post. But talk up, give it to them, talk up. How you mean? Defend your name. How you mean? Defend which name? That spirit not dead. That spirit not dead. So I want to come boy and defend that spirit there. So if reader man or preacher man or idiot man or mad man or whatever they come talk about that spirit there dead. So I want to come boy and come defend that spirit there. I will not try fool boy. After I want to come boy, I come cuss dancehall and talk about dancehall and devil music. I want to see the little sister them now, the little Shensia them now, and the little girl them and the little Jada Kingdom them now, getting hot and them around the place and a woman time now take over dancehall. You know, come try screechy back in a dancehall now, come and talk about you know soon alright. Oh, you have Jesus and not talk about you know soon alright. When you have Jesus, everything is alright. I want to you.
Now, I can fully understand what Mr. Vegas is saying. Because, you know, humble thyself before the Lord, turn the other cheek, hate the sin, love the sinner, and all them things. I fully understand. But two things, Brother Vegas, you must understand. Sometimes a person must defend their name and their honor. That's just how it goes. You must defend yourself, because if not, you're going to look like less than anything. And think about it. According to what you were saying, which, yes, I agree. I understand where you're coming from. But according to that discipline, think about it. The worst thing, one of the worst things you can call somebody who call himself a Christian is an Opiod worker. That means say them will work with the devil and all of that. So come on. The queen had to clap back. Think about it. She had to. Because I know if I was in the same position, I would have had to say something myself too. And speaking of clapping back, yes, Lady Saw did a song. So it's only fair that I show you, listeners, what Macka Diamond did. All right? She had to make a song too. Take a look at this.
I miss all them matter. We no matter them. We blessings multiply by 10. True, we are shine them out upon them. Good night, everybody. What's up? I take the time out tonight to tell you guys thank you for this morning. Thank you for the blessing that came across the IG Live. I'm want to know, say, it just began.
Macka, we are going in the morning so early.
When say we no sleep,
Oh,
no
gosh.
sleep. Them say, Macka, we hear tune there. Hey? No ready for it?
Got it.
And the Christmas
Eat
present
them.
this. He set me free, bad mind. He set me free. Hey!
Trap where them
I said to me,
That's where them demon them in the sea. He set me free by
Boy, the vibes turn up for Macka Diamond. She is the artist that I've been saying. She cannot do anything wrong. Her fire really start blazing June, July 2019. And it's just going hotter and hotter. Macka Diamond, big up yourself, Mooma. I love we say, you know what I mean. Now, Last but not least, Walmart is sued for helping to escalate the opioid crisis in the United States. For those who don't know, the United States is a big crisis with people doing heroin, opioids, which is still heroin basically. And Walmart has a pharmacy and they have at least 5,000 stores in the United States alone. And it's been said that they've chosen money, should I say profits, over precaution. Because a lot of the times, people have come into Walmart and they were told, the pharmacists were told to just rush, hurry up, just get the orders out, get the orders out. And they couldn't do their due diligence to see if somebody is, on drugs, lying, they don't have the right ID, etc., etc., etc. So this attention came to the, United States Justice Department, and they're suing Walmart. This is a big, big, big story because when you sue Walmart, that means you have to really have your, your P's and Q's, your T's crossed and your I's dotted. But this is the U.S. Justice Department, so they know what they're doing. And I keep everybody updated on this story because I find it interesting because this thing has boomed. This crisis is really boomed. And it kind of reminds me of the crack epidemic back in the day. They call that the crack epidemic, but they call this the opioid crisis, and they need help. And you don't see anybody really being sentenced, I should say, because let's just say the crack thing was a downtown thing. The opiate thing is an uptown thing. So, they handle it differently. That's how I go. But regardless, hopefully, we can get a handle on this because it's crazy. But this is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions. And we are talking the news. Happy holidays, everyone. Please like, subscribe, share, make a comment. And if you need anything that we should, report about, tell us, make suggestions while we build a thing, all right? So we say more love, more life, but also I am Daddy Reds, the reggae ambassador. And I will always cause a musical massacre, so I say more music too. Dread out for now.